Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable carrier account PIN to prevent identity theft. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable your carrier account PIN to prevent identity theft, begin by locating your mobile service provider's official website. Access the website from your browser and navigate to the login section. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, look for an option to create one and follow the instructions. Once logged in, look for account settings or security settings in your dashboard. Click on the appropriate option to access the security features. Locate the section specifically for account PIN or security PIN. In this section, you may see an option to create or change your PIN. If a default PIN exists, consider changing it to something unique and difficult to guess. Choose a combination of numbers that does not easily relate to you, avoiding birthdays or easily accessible information. Once you've decided on a new PIN, enter it into the designated field. Confirm the new PIN by entering it a second time. Save your changes by clicking the appropriate button. Take note of your new PIN and store it in a secure location, ensuring it isn't easily accessible to others. Next, review any additional security options offered by your provider. Enable extra features such as two-factor authentication if available. This adds an additional layer of security to your account. After finalizing your settings, log out of your account. Consider monitoring your account regularly to detect any unauthorized activity. If you notice anything suspicious, contact your carrier immediately. Following these steps will help safeguard your account against identity theft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.